Hey guys, this is the channel Brendan Minecraft Stuff and More, back with another ceiling fan video. I present to you a Hunter Sierra ceiling fan. I got this at the Habitat Restore for $25 a couple weeks ago. And the reason I got this is because I wanted a high quality outdoor fan. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I apologize about the talking out in the garage. Okay, I'm gonna plug this thing in, and I'll do a demo. So here, okay. I'm gonna fan off on the go. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, also, if you guys don't know what finish this is, it's Navajo white. Actually, this finish doesn't really exist in catalogs. So, that's probably another reason why I got this fan. Okay. Here's medium. Oops. Perfect. Bring out some air. Compared to this in a Casablanca Lanai, I'd rather install a Casablanca Lanai in the porch because it moves killer air, especially on a hot day in Texas or Arizona, a hot summer day. When it's 100 in Texas, but feels like it's 110. Yeah. All right. So this is high. It's got a little wobble because one of the blades is a little out of clock. But it's fine for the way it is. Alright. Yeah. Just blow a little more than good amount of air. Oh yeah. There's the Hunter switch cap. Alright. I will reverse it. Sorry for the clatter in the garage. Back to where it was, and I'll shut it off. Sorry for the talking from my mom, by the way. And there you guys have it. That's my Hunter Sierra in the non-existent Navajo white finish. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching. The channel Brendan Minecraft Stuff and More, out.